It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday, Groundhog Day. It's like a real live Groundhog Day for me because I actually, at some point today, convinced myself that it was actually Wednesday. I'm like laughing. I'm like, Groundhog Day was yesterday. I'm like, no, it wasn't. This day's been really long. Oh my goodness. But that's okay because I got lots of fun stuff for you. I'm going to show you how to load a Bath and Body Works car fragrance unit thingy. Is that what they're called? Unit thingies? And then I'm going to share all the new spring ones that have just released online. So it's kind of exciting. Also, thank you to everyone who pointed out that we now have a Hibiscus Paradise 3-wick candle. I want to get my hands on this. I don't know if it's going to be my favorite scent, but the jar is beautiful. I will put a screenshot up right now. It is pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. We need a candle sale because I need to get my hands on that one. So that was exciting. So we're talking car fragrance refills. So Bath and Body Works has two different units for the refills. They have a visor clip, which I prefer, and then they have the vent clip that you hook onto your vent in your car. But I don't like using those, especially in the winter, because I feel like I have like all this hot fragrance blowing in my face, and I don't like that. I prefer to use the visor clips. So I always get the visor ones, and then I put one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side, and I try to coordinate my scents so they like mingle in a really nice way. And then I feel like you get a definite more fragrance when you use two of them. So that's kind of cool because I have an SUV. So there's a lot of space in my car to fill up with the scent. So recently I did pick up this sparkly, blingy pink butterfly. I think this one is gorgeous. And then I got this tropical one. So when you get them, you're going to take off the little tag thingy. Very scientific here. The tag thingy. Grab that off of there. And then they're actually really easy to load, although they're kind of intimidating if you've never done these before. So there's a little tab on the bottom, and they're super easy to open. You just pop it open like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the pod that looks like this. It's upside down, and I'm going to go over the scents. So right now they have a ton of all the tropical scents. They have Waikiki Beach Coconut, which I have, Waikiki Beach Coconut. They have white tea and sage, Aloha passion fruit, mango mai tai, sun-washed citrus, which I have, coconut sandalwood, passion fruit and banana flower, that's the Bahamas, vanilla beans, strawberry pound cake, watermelon lemonade. I mean, there are a lot of these. The gingham, the Atlantic, rosewater and ivy. They duped a couple. Strawberry pound cake's on here twice. That's really funny. That's kind of odd. But anyway, a lot of different scents. So I think what I'm going to do for my car is I'm going to mix the Waikiki Beach Coconut with the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. Now, I haven't had one of these in my car. I took mine out over Christmas, and I had my reindeer one. I never put it back in. So what I'm going to do in my butterfly is I'm going to put my Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. So what you're going to do is, on the back, there's a sticker that says peel when ready to use. So you have to peel the sticker off first, which I'm going to do right now. These pods are 3 for $9, so $3 each. If you have a coupon, it's even better. Brings them down to like $2 and change. Even better during semi-annual if you can get them for $1. So what you're going to do then is you have this little tab, and you're going to pull this back, and then what's going to happen is the foil top should come off pretty easily. This one isn't coming off too good. Why isn't this coming off very good? Okay, for some reason on this one, check it out. I had to you have to peel the foil. I forgot how to do this. You got to peel the foil away from this tab, and then you got to pull it like this. So then you're going to have this little tab on the pod here, and the tab is actually going to come off. You can just rip that off after you put it in because you don't want that hanging out. So then what you're going to do, and this is the trickiest part of these things. you don't want to put it in upside down. So the rounded part goes inside the unit like this. I don't know if you can see that. And you want to put, oops, I just dropped it, you guys. I'll be right back. You don't want to do that. So this is the part that's got the scent on it. And I can smell that. It smells really good, by the way. So you're going to take this part with the scent, you're going to lay it down in there, and then you're going to close it up, and then your scent is going to come out this way. So if you smell this, you can smell the scent. You can actually even put this on your desk. I mean, this is something that you can actually put anywhere, and you get a little bit of scent. They're not super strong. Some scents are stronger than others. This one isn't super strong. This is the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. Let me try the Waikiki Beach Coconut. So I'm going to do the same thing. So you have to remove the sticker again. And then, like I said, there's a little bit of a trick. See, this one actually worked better. I was able to just pull this off. That's what should happen. This one was really easy to open compared to the other one. Sometimes they're tricky. So you're going to take this out like this. And then you're going to open it up like I did before. And then you're going to put this in with the rounded side down, close it up. Oh, this one's a lot stronger, you guys. Okay, this one is way stronger. That's interesting. So get Waikiki Beach Coconut if you want one that's a little bit stronger. So then, like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on each side of the car. Check it out. And then my car is going to smell like a tropical paradise. I always laugh because I say this in every video, but my car really does smell bad, especially in the winter. So we've got mud, we've got snow, your car isn't being used as much, the windows aren't open, and I feel like the car gets really stale and awful. And it smells, my car, like I said, it smells like dirt and french fries, which is terrible. But it does. So now it's going to smell like tropics dirt and french fries, which is perfectly fine. These smell really good. So like I said, Waikiki Beach Coconut is way stronger. This one, I'm not going to open not mango Mai Tai. I have Sunwash Citrus. I'm going to save this one for when one of these gets kind of light. I would say, I mean, I usually put them in for about a month. Towards the end of the month, they're not smelling quite as strong, but you get a little bit of scent. But they do freshen my car up a lot, so I really like them. The actual unit runs about, you can get a basic one. I'm going to put a screenshot up. I don't like the basic ones. I think they're ugly. I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. So the basic gray matte visor is only $5.50. They've got a beaded lace vent clip, a pink flower, and a turtle visor clip. Those are adorable. And those run between $7.50 and $8.50. And then they also have another set. I don't like the furry ones as much. The kitty succulent visor clip's kind of cute. The furry one's kind of weird. I feel like the scent would come out of that too good. I don't know. Or it would just get dirty. I don't know. In my car, I like the plastic ones. I love these two, the gemstone butterfly and the botanical garden one, which I got. And then those are actually, the butterfly is $8.50 and the botanical garden is $7.50. And I actually got these for the 20% off coupon. So it was a really good deal. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the car fragrance refills. Do you buy them? Do you like them? Which do you prefer? Vent clip, visor clip? I'm really curious. So anyway, I'll put those in my car tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.